Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread stickers. First, brainstorm your favorite bread-related concepts, from rustic sourdough to sweet pastries. Next, decide on the perfect size and shape for your stickers, whether they are small accents or larger focal points. Finally, prepare your chosen sticker paper and ensure your printer is ready for high-quality output. This initial planning ensures a smooth and enjoyable creative process. Now, let's dive into the design phase. Utilize your preferred graphic design software to bring your bread visions to life. Focus on creating clear, appealing illustrations that capture the essence of your chosen bread type. Experiment with a palette of warm, inviting colors and crisp outlines to make your designs pop. Consider adding playful or informative text, like "Baked with Love," to enhance their charm and appeal. Once your designs are finalized, it's time to print them. Load your chosen sticker paper into your color printer and select the highest quality print settings for vibrant, detailed results. After printing, carefully cut out each individual sticker. You can use sharp scissors for precise hand cutting, or for more efficient and accurate approach, consider employing a craft cutting machine. This step brings your digital creations into the physical world. With your beautiful bread stickers now ready, it's time for the fun part: applying them. Gently peel the backing from each sticker and adhere them to any clean, dry surface. They are perfect for personalizing your baking journals, sealing homemade bread bags, or adding a special touch to gift boxes. Don't forget to share your delightful creations with others, spreading the joy of your unique bread art.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.